might find certain areas interdisciplinary where physics meets linguistics when it comes to areas of language and speech and tonality. So
interesting. Yeah, man. So I don't know where to start. What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences, subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis, and you have neurolinguistic programming.
Sure.